Just take a look at this.
This guy is making 346 sales of $6.99 each every single month. Now if we calculate that, 346 times $6.99, that's $2,418 each and every month in his bank account. Now let's take another one. This person right here, 335 sales, 335 times $7, that's another $2,345 each and every month with this simple method I'm about to show you. And the list goes on and on and on.
This is extremely easy to do, guys. You don't need any technical skills, no experience whatsoever. This is worldwide, it works from anywhere in the world, and it's all profit. No expenses, no monthly fees, everything is for free, and I'm gonna show you step by step how to do this. What is up, beautiful people? Andrew here with Passive Income Warrior, documenting my journey and helping you create passive income and make money online. Now before we dive into the video, do me a huge favor and smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and tick that bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a brand new video like this one. And if you're looking for the simplest, easiest way to make a full-time passive income online, all you have to do is go down the description, click the first link in there, and I will share with you all about it. Now let's dive into the video.
Now, as I showed you in the beginning of this video, these people right here are making a lot of money, and all they're doing is creating simple sketchbooks. That's a front cover, a back cover, and a bunch of blank pages in between. These are very easy to create, and as you can see, they're selling like crazy. 294 monthly sales, 262, 255 sales every single month. This is very profitable, guys. And with the software I'm about to show you, it's going to make things very, very easy for you. With this software, you're going to be able to replicate everything these guys are doing right here. I mean, look at how simple these things are. Just a black cover and my 800-page sketchbook. That's it. No fancy words, straight to the point, very simple, and they're selling like crazy.
Now let me show you the software that will make this whole process extremely easy to do and how simple it is to use.
This is BookBolt. Head over to bookbolt.io, you will land on this page right here. As you can see, you can create all kinds of books here. This is the most comprehensive low-content book publishing software on the market today. This will make things very easy for us, and I promise you, if you use this, you're going to have a sketchbook up and running, ready to list in under 5 minutes.
Guys, I'm not an affiliate for this program. I'm not taking any commissions here. It's just an awesome software that is extremely helpful for this process. I'm already using it, and I know it's going to make things very, very simple for you. So head over to bookbolt.io and we will go through the sign-up process together.
Now all you have to do is press this blue button right here, start for free, and this will take you to this page right here. It's $9.99 a month and $89.99 for the yearly subscription, but we're not going to be paying anything here. We're just going to use the 3-day free trial, and that will be enough to create a bunch of ebooks and start making some money. So click this right here, 3-day free trial, and you will land on this page right here where you're going to put your information, your name, your email, your password, your country. Make sure all of this is correct, then click next, and that will take you to your dashboard. Now I'm going to sign in because I already have an account, and I will meet you at the BookBolt dashboard so we can start creating our first sketchbook. Alright guys, we're in a dashboard. And as you can see, you have a bunch of videos right here. These are tutorials to help you navigate and use this program as efficiently as possible. You have your product search, your seller search, your cloud. You have your book scout, your favorites, keywords, categories by BookBolt lister. You have your BookBolt designer, your must cover creator, a bunch of stuff to help you use this software. You can come take a look at them if you want at your own time. But what we need for this video is go to right here where it says research, click the drop down and click on create. We're going to use the BookBolt designer and the Bolt mass converter. Now if you click on that, you will land on this side right here, and here you can put in your cover size, your page count, and your background. For the cover size, we're going to use 8.5 by 11. For the page count, we can start with 120, and obviously we want the background to be white because it's a sketchbook. We need black pages for people to sketch in. Now for upload images, we need to go back to the bookbolt designer so we can design a cover for our sketchbook. Now the only thing I don't like about the software is that you need to start everything from a blank page. This is a blank page. If you want to get creative, it's up to you, but for those of you that want to shortcut the process, we can go to a site like canva.com. We can come here to the search bar and we can type book cover. Hit search and Canva will give you a bunch of templates to start with. Look at these designs. This can easily be used for a sketchbook. Now personally I like this one, so I'm going to use that. Click on that and here we can edit the cover however we want. What you want to do, I'm going to click right here. I'm going to change that to my sketchbook. I'm going to change this one as well by Andrew Mina so they can know who the author is. And when I'm done, when I'm ready, I'm going to hit download. I'm going to download as PNG, high quality image, and I'm going to download this cover to my computer. Once you're done with that, come back to your designer, click on image, click on upload image, and you're going to see your image up here, right here. You're going to click on that, and you're going to kind of stretch it out so it can fit right here. For the back cover, we're going to click it again, stretch it out, just like that, and our cover is done. Now we can go to interior. We're going to put again 8.5 by 11, page count we'll set 120, and we're going to hit download. Now you have a ready sketchbook with your covers, 120 pages, blank pages, ready to post right here. Now bookbolt is connected to Amazon. Everything you post here is automatically listed on Amazon for people to see, find your sketchbook, and if they like it, they will buy, and you will start making money. Now after you do that, I want you to go to the Amazon page. Let's do that right now. And right here in the search bar, you can type sketchbook, hit enter, and you can see what the sellers here are doing. So if you click on one of them, you can get an idea of what your description will be like. For us, it's 8.5 by 11. You can look at the about section. You can look at the images. You can set up your shipping fees. You can do a little research and find out what everyone else is doing and kind of replicate that. Now, as far as the price goes, look at the price other sellers have, and you kind of need to be a bit lower than that, because as a new seller, you need to do whatever you can to be ahead of the competition. Now as you can see, prices this year is $12.99, $19.99, $9.99, $12, $12, $12, $9.99. In my opinion, a price of $8.99 would be great for you to start.
So there you have it, guys. As you can see, the simple method can make you a lot of money. Just take action in the next 3 days. Please take note that after 3 days, they will charge you. So if you don't want to use the software anymore, make sure to cancel your subscription before the free trial expires. Alright guys, that's it for today. If you found any value in this video, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel so you can be part of the Warrior family, click that notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload a brand new video, and if you want my #1 recommendation for making money online, just hit the first link in the video description and I will share with you all about it. That is it for today. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you on the next one.